Run, baby, run.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapir, ewa salame, zingzalbim, ewa salame, hey, hey, hey.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Actually, welcome if you're new here, I forgot. Did I say my name? My name is Indigo. I have no idea what possessed me to do this, but we are doing this. I just remembered 2009. I wanted to be these kids so bad. We're talking about like Cameron, Amber, Caitlyn, what's her name again? I'm laughing because it's nostalgic because this style is kind of iconic. I don't care what anybody says. I'm going to follow makeup tutorials from 2009, specifically the emo ones. We're gonna do like the crazy well, maybe not the hair, okay, because I don't really have that. But we're gonna do the mascara. If you have seen their mascara, you know why I emphasize that part. Without any further stalling, we're gonna go ahead and look at the tutorials over here and we're gonna get started. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go, let's go. Now, keep in mind this is 2009, so a lot of it is not gonna be up to date, but that's what I want. So, yes, Miss Edgy Queen. How I do my makeup, period. Scene emo, I guess. This used to be me. Oh my gosh, stop. I can't even. Yes, copyrighted music. All this is gonna be like silent because I can't even. So back then, they used to do like their foundation more differently. Like they wouldn't do like a full face. They just kind of like apply like where they needed it. Crazy concept, I know. So first of all, she's using the iconic little sponge from way back when. Some people still use it. A lot of makeup artists still use them because they're really good. But it's like the little sponges you can find at CVS. They're kind of just like rectangular. I don't have one of those. I do have a beauty blender. It's dirty. Also back then, they used to use foundation that was not necessarily their face. Everybody just really wanted to be pale back then, which is like so not it. That was the thing. So since I have like a more like warm complexion, like I'm very much Latino, I'm gonna go ahead and get like a lighter shade. This is definitely not my shade. So she applied it to her problem areas, but she applied it around like the chin, the cheeks, and under the eyes, the forehead. So I think that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do like a full face because work. I've never used this foundation and this actually has been sitting there forever. So who even knows if this is actually good or not? Okay, so I already messed up. She didn't really focus it on the outer part. She focused it more on the inner. This foundation is really good. Wow, it's like blending really nicely. So she was a queen. And I don't know if y'all saw her like pat that little foundation up here, but she did. I don't know if she knew what she was doing, but she did it. And she applied the most on her chin. Why? I have no idea. You know what? I actually thought this was gonna look crazier than it actually does, but it actually brought my face out. Oh my god! She's powdering her face? Was 2009 when people started powdering their face? Okay, but she's doing it in a very different way. So she's like powdering her face, but she's using a brush and she's not baking. She's just like dragging it across her face. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the same thing. Oh, I see. It's like giving her like that matte look. Look at that. It feels so weird doing this. Okay, but you know what though? My skin texture actually looks like immaculate right now. No joke. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god, that was the skin. She said, you know what? We're just going with this. Yeah, you know what? The base actually looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna skip to the end because I have a different eye look in mind right now. I'm not going to do this eye look, so we're just gonna see what she does with her lips.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
Miss, it's raining outside. No way am I going out there. Have you seen my makeup? I don't want it to get washed off by the rain.
She's using more powder on her lips. Whatever, we're just gonna do it. So I'm gonna get even more foundation. This is her lip color in the shade Warm Vanilla. Oh my god, Matt, like, cannot believe we're doing this. Oh, and that's way too much, but, oh no, it's not, it's actually, oh my god, my lips look so ashy. And they did not use like baking or anything on their lips, powder. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next girl, the iconic queen that everybody used to watch way back when. We're talking about like, this video's got 3.6 million views. This girl was poppin'. She was like the original James Charles. Like she really had it going for her. And this is her everyday hair and makeup routine. The reason we started off with the other video was because this video, she actually already had her base on. So she's a little liar. But like, you know what, girl, me too, I do that sometimes. So it's whatever. Like it's the eyes that matter. So that's what we're gonna do. She fully put the eyeliner on her entire lid. God. Okay, so that was a black eye pencil. Those things are ancient. I don't really think anybody uses those anymore. I don't even know if I have one in my possession. I'm gonna go check the PR pile, see if we've got any. Are we surprised? The answer is no. I have black eyeshadow and my eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go with the eyeshadow because that's more true to context, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and use the MAC eyeshadow carbon, which they actually did have around that time. So I'm sure some emos use this instead of eyeliner. Oh my gosh. I'm getting like the same fallout that she was getting. Oh yeah, this is gonna look so good on my eye. Very enhancing. It's gonna enhance my eye. I feel that, yeah, no, I don't feel great. Yummy. Ooh. What y'all know about this? And then she got the same amount of fallout, so then she just like, okay, so she said, oh my God, Kaylin, or whatever her name is, Amber. You set me up, girl. Girl, dude, can I fix this? Amber, I'm not happy with you right now. I'm ready to growl at the nearest person. Oh, work. Okay, so she actually goes in with like an actual liquid eyeliner later on. And then she started doing like little dots, like around here. Like, be like fancy with it. You gotta be fancy. Yes. Oh, I see the vision. I wish I had my blue contacts on right now because this would look way better with the blue contacts. Yes, Miss Queen put on some blush. We have to do the face that she did too while she was doing it. This one's by Marina Joyce, the legend, the myth. And she gets super long eyelashes makeup tutorial. So now this is like really important because like back then they didn't really use like falsies like that yet. That was like not really like as prominent. Okay, so she's saying that we don't apply a lot of mascara. She's just combing it so that way they're all separate. I think my mascara is too good for this. Like it's not like clumping up the way that like the ones like way back when used to. It's kind of upsetting me right now. Okay, well I guess now you know you can apply 12 million coats of the Better Than Sex mascara and it's still not gonna clump up like spider lashes. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we are back. I am feeling fresher than ever. What did Fergie say? I'm so 2008. You so 2000 late. Right now, that's me. That's me. You know, I'm banging. Oh wait, let me try to put the little. Yes. Hi, it's Raven, your acid bath princess of darkness.
Oh, you look so good.
No, I don't. I followed a 2009's makeup look.
Why do I kind of like it? Your eyes, like, they pop out.
They pop out. So here's the final makeup look. I'm feeling my 2009 fantasy. I love the green under my eye. I'm living for how open my eyes are right now. I feel alive. I feel ecstatic. So yeah, did you guys do your makeup like this? Cause I know you did. Like, don't even lie, cause I know that you did. And we all wanted to. Don't even play. This was like peak human performance back in 2009. Don't even try to act like it wasn't, because yes, it was. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And as always, if you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the future. Bye.